Crypto is moving down hard right here, right now. It is down 5+%, and right at that $900 billion market cap. Most likely going to lose that ground as well and move below 900 billion. So, is it crashing? Is this kind of the beginning of what we've been talking about on my channel and on I know other channels been talking about, where Bitcoin is going to drop below 20,000 and Ethereum is going to drop below 1,000? That's what we're going to cover in this video, and kind of what happens now and what are all the things that are impacting this and what do we have happening this week. Okay, so that's everything we're going to cover in this video. As always, thanks for giving me a few minutes of your time, and if you haven't already done so, hit that like and subscribe button, because we're going to jump into this. My goal is real simple: to help you understand what is going on, help you navigate crypto, and help you protect yourself in this situation. Okay, so we've got a big report coming out this week. We've got a inflation data report that we are expecting this week. Okay, so keep your eye out for that, and again, keep your eye on this channel. I will be bringing you that information when it does break. Okay, so but within that, and kind of within everything, we've still got we've still got massive inflation that is not just global. It is not just United States. It is global. Okay, saw reports the other day that a lot of other countries are dealing with inflation, and a lot of this inflation is related to all of the the global fallout and the impact of COVID, the Russia-Ukraine war, rising fuel costs. Because as you know, oil, petroleum goes into everything, pretty much every durable good, every good that we make and that we use in our lives goes into that, and it's impacting everything from the products that we use, to what it costs us to fuel our cars and trucks, also to what it costs us to just live every day, groceries and things like that. It is pervasive across the entire supply chain of our life, if you will. Okay. And so inflation is there, and inflation also has that impact of just everything costs more. And so because everything costs more, you have more fear, etc. So I do firmly believe that we've got strong downside risk and possibility for Bitcoin to go down into the high teens, if not the lowest is still probably in that $14,000–15,000 range. So that is something that we're looking at and keeping an eye on Bitcoin. That is per some technical analysis from some people that I really trust from a TA standpoint. And Ethereum is a similar story, where it is looking like it definitely could drop below 1,000 and go as low as 500 or 600 per Ethereum. Okay, and again, so that's kind of exactly the same story as per some technical analysis. And if you look at kind of all of the look at this, Terra Classic is still pumping. It's kind of crazy. So if you look at all of the major altcoins, you'll see that even though it is dramatically down overall, that ApeCoin is kind of the one, and Avalanche are the ones leading the charge, only down 12.8%. Now, from a positive standpoint, you have that outlier Terra Classic USD, and then synthetics, Ox, USDD, Storage, Pax. These are the ones that are up, and you can see nothing's up. Obviously, my point to you is that if you look at that 24-hour column, outside of Terra Classic USD and synthetics, nothing is up, right? Everything is. Then this is in the top 100, by the way. Okay, so I expect us to be here for a while. I've been talking about this leading up into other videos. You can see that Ethereum is down 8%, Bitcoin's down 4.5%. And if you look, everything else is just down dramatically. Okay. But not hugely, not like 30, 40%. You've got about 8 to 10, 11% moves down. SHIB is down 10.5%. Obviously, we've talked about that on my channel quite a bit. Wiping out a lot of 7-day gains. It's moving back down below that one liar, but that one number, that one, but again, I've been kind of expecting this, quite frankly, because of what we've been talking about as far as the inflation, recession, global supply chain issues, Russia, Ukraine war, all those things at play. So keep your eye on this channel. As always, I appreciate you giving me a few minutes of your day, and I will be here helping you navigate crypto. I'll see you.